It's Bailey with Nursery. I wanted to show y'all our Maximilian Sunflowers. They're starting to bloom. They get up to 10 foot high and they come back every year. They're perennial sunflower. Here's one of the heads of them. And they have really grown the past week or so. They wasn't this big last week. Now they're really big, and look. There's bumblebees all over them too. But look, they have several heads on them. See, blooms. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's one coming out right here. There's 10, and here's 11, and then there's that one. They're loaded with blooms, and look how tall it is. It's just laid over. This one's probably over 7 foot right now. And here's a real big one standing up down here. The wind's knocked them over. But look at this. And these are a perennial, and they come back every year. I didn't know there was a such thing as a sunflower being a perennial, but these are. And let me show y'all what y'all will receive in when you order from us. We're a bare root nursery. Let's see, they've took over our rows. I can't find, here's the bed right here. And let me see if I can't get one up. They put on some big roots. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here, let me lay you down for a second. Okay, I got it. Look, this right here is what y'all are going to receive. We'll cut here off, and then y'all plant that standing up just like that. You plant that right there, and it'll come back next spring for you, and you'll have a pretty Maximilian sunflower, and they'll come back every year. It's a perennial, but look what a root.